I day in my life with my poor baby, with Kobe. Hey, hey, hey. Ayan. Hi. Say hi. Ayan. At ito naman ang outside world. Outside world ng aming here naman yung aking munting business. And mother. At ito kapag hey, Kubi. Here, hamak. Hamak na pahuwayan kapag tanghaling tapat. Rest time at noon kasi super init ng aming lugar. Yes, province life here in Samar. Ito yung buhay namin dito sa Samar. Ang buhay namin ay magmarites. Char. Wala lang. Guys, tapos naman tayo magmarites. Back to, dahil nasa Samar tayo, nasa province tayo, here. Ito yung aking food. Gulay. Yummy yan. Gulay. Mixed vegetable. Alright. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless us.